What started out as pretty much a normal Sunday here in Chicago turned out to be a pretty fun day,
He's trying to be
actually.
funny, I
The
guess.
weather was
Trying to be a
perfect,
funny
and
bunny.
you'll see that played a role in a lot of the stuff we saw today. We started out with an impromptu car show. It's a group called Cars and Coffee of Oak Park, and my buddy Mario, he helped organize this event, and the turnout was fantastic. So it was lots to see here. Stick around for this show for a bit, and then later you'll see some of the
Where?
other stuff we got into today.
Oh yeah. Yep. You won't hear it unless he revs it up. But maybe he'll rev it up when he leaves or something. Oh, and look, he's got a special air intake. Check it out. Come over here. The air probably goes in here or in here, and then it comes out of the hood and into this air filter right here, so it gives the engine more gas or more air so it can burn more gas.
It goes in this way. Right there.
Yeah, through there? Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, there it goes. Very cool. Which one? Yeah, that one's fast.
I like the front of it better than the back.
Hey, this Mustang looks cool.
I like the Mustang.
Me too. And it looks all original, like it hasn't been restored, which I like. It's just as they found it. This Mercedes is sweet.
I've seen them over.
Yeah, isn't that cool? It's called a pillarless coupe.
After the show, we headed down to the south side of Chicago to what's known as the Big Marsh Mountain Bike Park. It's pretty awesome, and along the way, we saw, as usual, some drag racers on the street out front. It's a pretty known street racing area, and you can see some of the shenanigans going on here as well.
Ooh, yeah, it smells.
You know what? He's probably running ethanol.
What's that?
Oh, heck yeah, burnout time.
What's he doing?
Test run. There's a motorcycle.
Is he gonna grab
I
it?
hope so. He's slowing down.
Looks like it. Maybe he's just watching.
Dang, that is a nice Hellcat. See that purple? I like that color. Do another one. Ah, he's not gonna go.
I wish they had a Hellcat here.
That is a Hellcat.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bikes are so dangerous.
It's supposed to be drag racing.
Yeah. Love this spot.
Imagine if a police car comes down here.
Oh yeah. You see he just lowered it? Look at his rubber still smoking on the
Oh
pavement.
yeah. Do you think police trains are a thing?
I don't think so. There is Amtrak police though, and police forces that are just for trains though. But they drive trucks. That seems pretty fast.
He's putting his foot down. He's gonna
Yeah.
ruin him.
They do that for stability. It's just barely touching or maybe not touching at all.
After we did some bike riding, we decided to get a better view of some of the racing going on here. And quite a crowd had developed. In fact, the start line was pretty much all surrounded by drag racers and spectators, and an ambulance and an 18-wheeler had some trouble getting through here, which I'm guessing contributed to the police being called.
Oh,
That was crazy.
Unfortunately, it ended soon after that,
They
and
are
we missed a
fast.
couple of what would have been good drag races, I bet.
Finally.
Yeah, I'm amazed it lasted this long. T-Rex. Pretty sure the guys that took off fast. I don't want to have to be the guy.
The ambulance call earlier I referred to was not about anything to do with the drag racing. Unfortunately, a young girl fell on her motorized scooter at the Big Marsh bike park. So the ambulance was called for her, but I'm guessing as the ambulance passed through and had to deal with a lot of traffic, that's what got the police
It
called
is
on
kind of
this event.
exciting, but don't get used to it. It's risky. Ambulance behind us too. We should probably let them get out of here. Oh, what? People are coming from this side road. I wonder if they park like way down there.
As you can see, there was so much traffic trying to get out of the drag racing area. There was quite a bit of a backup, but things moved pretty quickly beyond this point.
Oh, he's fine.
Those bikes were going so fast.
So fast. That was crazy. Here comes another police car. I don't think anyone got a ticket. They just want us to clear out. It's a lot of tow trucks. Oof. Yeah, look at not too bad though. Ooh, look at. And then another one up the ramp. Yikes.